Welcome to Software Pundit, the leading destination for software reviews. Pipedrive is a user-friendly customer relationship manager solution that has over 95,000 customers. But is it the right CRM for you? We're going to cover the most important things you should consider before making your purchase, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Pipedrive customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Let's get started. Pipedrive received an analyst rating of 83 and is currently ranked 5th in our CRM category. It features some of the following pros. Pipedrive is a better fit for individuals and entrepreneurs. It is user-friendly and offers an intuitive interface. Pipedrive offers an in-platform live chat lead capture tool. That being said, Pipedrive does have some cons. Pipedrive's task management feature does not let you set reminders. It does not offer an in-platform email campaign feature. It does not offer an automatic activity feed, and Pipedrive does not offer lead scoring. Pipedrive is a basic CRM that is best suited for those who mainly need a solution for easy-to-use deal management. We recommend it for individuals and small businesses with less than 50 employees. If you want an advanced all-in-one CRM solution with high-quality marketing tools, then we'd recommend HubSpot. If you want an advanced, affordable tool and currently use other Zoho products, then we recommend Zoho CRM. If you want a highly customizable, advanced platform that can also support enterprises, then we recommend Salesforce. If you want a basic CRM that integrates tightly with Google Workspace, then we recommend Copper. Pipedrive's pricing ranges from $18 to $99 per month. You can also save up to around 31% if you pay annually. Pipedrive also offers a free 14-day trial for each plan. Pipedrive pricing falls more towards the middle of the pack relative to its competitors. We found Pipedrive's pricing to be slightly less attractive because other solutions like Copper and Zoho CRM are more feature-rich and are similar in cost. Let's discuss the features offered by Pipedrive. We will explore Pipedrive's usability, customer support, and describe the major benefits and drawbacks of the CRM software. A lead is an individual or organization that has an interest in your products or services. Lead capture refers to the process of acquiring a lead's information with the ultimate goal of converting them into a paying customer. Pipedrive offers a built-in feature that lets you create web forms. Forms are one of the easiest lead capture tools because they allow the leads to provide their information themselves. After someone submits a form, Pipedrive captures the person as a lead and lets you choose who in your organization is the owner. This feature is easy to use and great for creating simple forms. You can include standard contact form fields including name, email, phone, and a message box. You can also edit the color, font, layout, and field styles and choose whether to embed your form or share it as a link. Pipedrive lets you create a live chat and chatbot widget that you can embed within your website to capture lead information. Overall, this feature is very intuitive to use and configure. Pipedrive lets you create a flow map that visually represents how a person you are chatting with can become a lead. You can choose which fields or questions are applicable in the workflow, and depending on how a person answers, you can capture them as a lead. An advantage of Pipedrive's chatbot and live chat feature is that you can have them in over 15 languages, including Mandarin, French, Spanish, and Italian. You can also choose a color scheme for your chat window so it matches your brand. Capturing a lead's contact information is crucial in converting them into a paying customer. However, the type of information you can record and how it's stored and managed will determine the value you gain from your CRM. This is known as contact management. You can create a profile for every lead you have captured in Pipedrive. In general, the more information and the more unique a profile, the better the chance you have of converting someone into a lead. Pipedrive lets you create basic contact profiles, including standard information such as email addresses, phone numbers, associated deals, and relevant files. You can also create custom fields that can capture unique information and which can be specified for certain clientele and industries. Pipedrive also includes an activity feed for every contact. This is where you can schedule events involving that contact, including meetings, calls, tasks, and emails. It's important that your contacts are easy to access and stored in an organized manner. Contact storage in Pipedrive is basic but effective. Pipedrive divides your contacts by individuals and organizations. Pipedrive automatically segments your contacts alphabetically, and you can use filters with certain criteria to further segment them. Your filters can relate to deals, contacts, and activities. Maintaining consistent communication with your contacts is imperative to convert them into a paying customer. Pipedrive only offers email and phone as communication channels. Pipedrive lets you sync your email into its system. This means you can access and send emails from within Pipedrive. This tool is basic and only effective for sending individual emails. You would have to integrate with an email marketing system like MailChimp and Campaign Monitor if you wanted to send mass email campaigns. Pipedrive lets you send basic emails to your contacts, which can include images, files, and even a signature. Pipedrive also lets you add merge fields, which pull data from your CRM and inserts them into your email body. Some of the merged fields you can insert include name, phone, email, organization, and address. Pipedrive also lets you create templates for your most frequently used emails. You can also track emails and receive notifications when an email has been opened or when a link in an email has been clicked. Pipedrive lets you integrate your phone system with a CRM system. This feature saves you time as you can call contacts without having to leave Pipedrive. You can either choose to make calls from Pipedrive's web app or transfer calls to your phone. You can also log calls, which are trackable once the call ends. Once a deal becomes qualified, you'll need an organized system that manages your deals. Proper and efficient deal management provides the most up-to-date information and allows sales representatives to focus their attention on building strong relationships with potential customers. Pipelines let you visually track the progress of prospective customers through every stage of a deal. Similar to Copper, Pipedrive is not ideal for handling a high number of deals. It's best for businesses with less than 10 deals occurring at once. Pipedrive lets you create and customize your pipelines so they can best align with your business's sales funnels. You can drag and drop stages, rename them, and even insert a win probability percentage. You can also use and create custom filters to further segment deals from one another. This includes filters related to won, lost, and inactive deals. Tasks in a CRM are actions that need to be performed in order to bring a deal to completion. Tasks can be assigned to you or others in your organization. This feature is best for those who are handling less than 50 tasks at once. You can organize your tasks through the use of different filters related to your deals, organization, contacts, and when tasks are due. An advantage of Pipedrive's task management feature is that you can view your tasks in a calendar format. Pipedrive lets you set a due date, write a description, attach related deals, and add organizations for your tasks. A disadvantage of tasks in Pipedrive is that you cannot set reminders, which are key for tracking tasks because they reduce the chance of losing a potential deal. Workflow automation is the process of automating common tasks through the use of apps, tools, and technology. Automating your workflow reduces the chance for human error and ultimately saves time. Pipedrive's only workflow automation tool is triggered events. Pipedrive lets you set up workflow rules where events trigger a specific action. For example, when a deal is created, you can automatically make a specific person in your organization the owner. This feature in Pipedrive is intuitive to use and can be used for simple workflows. Pipedrive lets you create automations for leads, contacts, and activities like tasks. You can create multiple actions for one trigger, including field updates, emails, task creations, and contact deletion. Reporting in a CRM offers key data that helps individuals and businesses make strategic decisions and necessary tactical changes. This includes key insight reports such as deals won and lost, pipeline progressions, your sales funnel, and sales forecasting. Pipedrive offers all of these key insights in the form of dashboards, and the data is easy to read. Pipedrive also offers insights into email and task performance. Also, depending on the insight, you can choose whether to visualize your data as a column, bar, pie chart, or table. Pipedrive offers integrations that result in automated actions that expand the functionality of your CRM. They also eliminate the need to move back and forth between systems and programs. Some of Pipedrive's key integrations include Google Workspace, Zapier, and Facebook. Pipedrive offers a mobile app for both Android and Apple. Having a mobile CRM gives you the ability to ensure that your customers are getting the best service available. While Pipedrive's mobile app lets you capture leads and create new deals, we recommend primarily using it to stay up to date on your current lead and deal activity. On mobile, you can add activities that let you know what tasks need to be performed on certain days. This includes calls, meetings, tasks, and emails that need to be sent out. Disadvantages of Pipedrive's mobile app include not being able to view reports or important analytics data in regards to your deals and sales. Proper security and data protection is critical for your CRM. This is because data breaches can harshly affect your company's reputation and allow competitors to steal your customers' information. Pipedrive offers key security features and compliances to make sure your data is secured and protected. Overall, we found Pipedrive's customer support to be above average. This is because Pipedrive offers a wide variety of customer support channels and 24/7 support. Pipedrive's live chat is also quick and responsive. Pipedrive's help articles and documentation are also easy to read because they do not use intricate language. They also include elements like bolded terms and images with helpful markings like arrows and boxes that specify the feature being referenced. Overall, Pipedrive is the most similar to Copper. Both are basic and user-friendly CRMs. However, Pipedrive is better for individuals and entrepreneurs. Compared to HubSpot and Zoho CRM, Pipedrive is less feature-rich. Compared to Salesforce, Pipedrive is much better suited for SMBs. Pipedrive is a basic CRM solution that is best suited for those who mainly need a solution for easy-to-use deal management. We recommend it for individuals and small businesses with less than 50 employees. If you want an advanced, all-in-one CRM solution with high-quality marketing tools, then we recommend HubSpot. If you want an advanced, affordable tool and currently use other Zoho products, then we recommend Zoho CRM. If you want a highly customizable, advanced platform that can also support enterprises, then we recommend Salesforce. If you want a basic CRM that integrates tightly with Google Workspace, then we recommend Copper. If you're interested, you can try Pipedrive today by clicking the link in the description box below.